We are out of petrol. Hey guys, can you give us a lift, please?
Sure, I happen to have a Gaudi X7 Megatron here. This 1.8 ton baby is no problem for us. I'll just pull you back to the next petrol station. What's the weight of your car?
It's more or less with me, the tank and the oil, 1,800 kilos.
How many?
1,800 kilos.
1,800 kilograms, the car.
Yeah.
And we pull it with one Gaudi X7 Megatron, 1.8 tons, ladies and gentlemen.
Incredible, amazing. It's becoming possible. It's fantastic. It's for you, because for me, I can paint my bonnet. For you.
Did you hear this? This is the coolest guy in all my mail. I just take my other Ferrari from Ferrari. I just take my other one and I get this one painted. Yes, thank you.